It's interesting you mentioned, at some point something's going to break. No matter how good it's going, something's going to break and you're going to have to deal with it. But it's interesting that you said sometimes you have to decide to break something that's working. And those are some of the kind of decisions you have to make. But you've been at it for a couple years now. I'm sure you've gone through ups and downs and all sorts of things. For others out there that are maybe thinking about taking the leap, any advice, any lessons you've learned to date? And I know you're going to keep learning lessons. It's not like you're going to stop. But as we sit here today, what are some things that you would tell others that are thinking about it to think about before they make the jump, or if they're early on in the process?
Say, know yourself before you know your business. Figure out what you want to do, why you want to do it, and why you think you could do it better than how you've been doing it. Those are all difficult questions and would lead to an exponentially larger number of important questions. But I think it's really important to have that conversation with yourself. And if you're fortunate enough to have the resources of good mentors and friends and people with experience around you, them as well. A lot of time, the most valuable piece of advice you get won't be from a consultant, but it'll be from mentors and friends with good experience and a good track of success. And don't overlook those things and don't take them for granted. And then, although I know culture has come up numerous times in our talk today and comes up often in your other interviews, but I guess it comes up because it's so important. And I hope our listeners can appreciate that culture isn't about just instituting a set of rules that you like and forcing everybody to comply with them and saying that's our culture.